So, first of all, MPL Season 2 has come. Super excitement. The ball has been set rolling, and we look forward to a good performance this year. Last year, we missed by a very thin margin, or unfortunate, we lost two very close games. No, so now this year, everybody has come prepared. So, all 6 teams are going to have their strategy well in place, well thought and well implemented, and only thing is that the team who keeps good session is good sessions of practice and fitness. This season we expect that build up has to be big, the brand has to grow bigger as an MPL. Yeah, so far Ramkrishna Ghosh was the player who was going to be sought after, and fortunately we have got him on board. So he adds a lot of value to our team. Puneri Bappa, go all out आणि सगळ्यांना धुवून टाका. ऑडियन्सला फक्त पुणेरी बाप्पाला भरभरून प्रेम करा, भरभरून सपोर्ट करा.